Okay, write your name. Hello, students. Write down your name, roll number.
Morning, sir.
Very good morning. Write your name and roll number so I can take your attendance. Roll number 18, Kapas Abbas present, 27, Zaki Hassan present, 35, Sheikh Amin present, Muhammad Riza Jamani, roll number 14. Roll number 14, Jamani Muhammad Riza present, roll number 20, Lakhotra Muhammad Zahir present, 17, Kanadia Ali Abbas present, 19, Lakhani Mehndi Riza present, Dar Amzad, roll number 3 present, very good. No one students left during lecture, otherwise I will again take attendance. That time if you are not there, your absent marks will be there. Mustaq Dar present, Zaidi Muhammad Taqi is present, Grastro Kausar present, Kaisar Grastro is present, Mullah Ali 21 present, 32 Sheikh Abid present, class fast because if you yes, anybody want to ask now any question? Someone raise their finger. Mandriza, why you raise your hand? See, we are going to start revision of lesson number 12. Lesson number 12 friction, we already explained in the classroom, but we will do the revision work of lesson number 12. Now, any students is joined, they will write in the chat box their name and roll number. Okay? Gondalia just joined. Now you see on your screen, there will be a lesson number 12, first page. Are you getting screen? Say yes or no.
No,
Getting?
no,
No.
no.
Okay, wait a minute. Beta. Roll number 6 present. Okay. Getting screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Now see on your screen there is a lesson 12 friction. We are doing revision work today. And I would like to say that in your FF4 test only 3 lessons is there, 12, 13 and 14. So we will do revision work of this lesson number 12. This chapter is very very important for you all, so be pay attention. And I will ask to read roll number 3, Dar Amzad Hussain. Lesson number 12, friction. You start this chapter's first paragraph. Dar Amzad. Start reading. Amzad, you have to read. Can you hear me? My voice is clear?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, voice is clear there? Okay, good, good. Now you do one thing, Dar Amzad, you read. Dar Amzad is there? Okay, Dar Mustaq. Okay, Gondalia Mendi.
Sir.
Not you say yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Once again, you say yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Now you read.
Lesson number 12 Friction. You might have been seen a driver of a car or truck slowly down to the vehicle at the traffic signal. You to slow down your bicycle whenever needed by applying brakes. Have you ever thought why a vehicle slow down when brakes are applied? Not only vehicle, any object moving over the surface of another object slow down when the no internal force is applied on it. Finally, it stops. Have you not seen a moving ball on the ground stopping after some time? Why do we sleep when we step on the banana peel? Figure 12.1. Why is it difficult to walk on a smooth and wet floor?
Very good reading. Abbas Gondalia. Thank you. Now see, I explained this paragraph. You all pay attention. Then I will ask the question to any students and they have to give answer. And especially this boarding boy, Dar Hamzat and Mustaq is there. You have to give answer. If you are not there, I will give you absent mark. See, lesson number 12 is friction, and here starting is given with some detail that whenever car driver or a truck driver see the signal, at the signal red light is there, he slow down and stop the vehicle. That is the first situation. So to slow down, driver apply brakes. When the driver apply brakes, vehicle slow down. Okay? Is it true? When driver apply brake, vehicle slow down. Is it
Yes.
true? True?
Yes.
Good. Same way, you also when you apply brake to your bicycle, when you're riding your bicycle and you apply brake, bicycle stop after some time. Clear? Is it true?
Yes.
Good. Same way, you are riding a bicycle and you stop pedaling it. Then also it will be stopped after some time. Okay? You are riding your bicycle and you all of a sudden you stop pedaling. Then also bicycle will stop after some time. So that paddling is what? That is an external force. Means when there is a no external force and one object moving over other surface, any surface, what happen? It will be slowed down and finally stopped. Finally stopped. Clear? This much part clear?
Yes.
Okay, now one more information is there. See this picture very carefully. That boy is running and all of a sudden keep leg on the banana peel. And what happened? Fall down. See, here that boy is fall down. Okay? What is the reason? Due to this banana peel, surface becomes smooth. Here surface is not smooth. Road surface is rough surface. So that boy can run easily. But all of a sudden, when leg keep on the banana peel, that surface become what? Smooth or rough?
Smooth.
Smooth. And result is what? What is the result? Result is fall down. Clear? So,
Yes.
this point you have to keep in mind that you will find the answer to such question in this chapter. Whatever we discuss, that vehicle slow down, vehicle stop, we fall down when we keep our leg on a banana peel. So why this happened, that answer will find in this chapter. And for that 12.1 force of friction activity 12.1 we have to read out. Okay, 12.1 activity reading work. I want to ask Jamani Mehndi Reza. Jamani Mehndi Reza will read. Jamani Mehndi Reza.
Jamani Mehndi Reza.
Roll number 14.
Mohammad Reza.
Mohammad Reza. Okay, Mohammad Reza.
Yes, sir.
Jamani Mohammad Reza.
Ah, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you decide ha sir or yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Read.
Sakma Kasper.
Sir, ક્યાંથી રીડ કરવાનું છે?
Activity 12.1.
Activity 12.1. Chantril push a book on a table. Figure 12.2. You observe that it stops after moving for some decided
Distance.
distance. Repeat this active pushing the book from the observing direction.
Direction.
Figure 12.2. Does the book stop this time too? Can you think of an explanation? Can we say that a force must be acting on the book opposite its motion? This force is called the force of friction.
Very good reading. Now you see what given in this activity 12.1. It is very simple activity, and this activity you are doing in a class also. You are passing book by pushing it to your nearby students. Okay, so see one picture 12.1 here. The book is pushed with the hand, slightly gently pushing. Okay, see that dotted line, that is a book first position, and this one is the final position. So book is moving left to right, but after some times it stopped. Now in the figure B, book is pushing from right to left. This was the first position book and it will be stopped here. final position. So left to right pushing, right to left pushing. In both the situation, what happened? From opposite side, some force is there which can reduce the motion and book stop. And that opposite force of motion and that force called friction force. So what you have to remember, friction force always opposite motion. Okay? Means force is from left to right, friction right to left. If force from right to left, friction left to right. Getting my point? Hello, bye. Getting my point?
Yes.
So friction always reduce motion. Okay. Now we come to the next point. And before that, we see this point. Kapasi Abbas, read.
Yes, sir.
You
You saw that if you apply the force along the left, friction act along the right. If you apply the force along the right, the friction acts along the left direction. In both cases, the force opposes the motion of the book. The force of friction always opposes the applied force. In the above activity, the force of friction act between the surface of the book and the surface of the table. Is the friction the same for all the surfaces? Does it depend on the uh, smoothness of the surface? Let us find out.
okay? See, whatever just I explained, the same thing is reading work done by Kapasi Abbas. If a force is from the left to right, side,
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Co primi che cocce ne casa?
hello, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Can you hear my voice?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, good. Now see, once again I'll share the screen with you of that same topic. Screen is there? Are you getting screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Now see, my question was there, all the surface is of same type or not? All the surface is the same or different?
Different.
Same, all the surface is same or different?
Different.
Different.
Different, very good. All the surface is different. Some surface is a smooth surface. Example, Sunmega is there. Okay, our bench is that wooden surface is there. Okay. Same way, road also one kind of surface. So road also, some road is very good, plain, smooth. So vehicles can run very fast. And some road is not that much, we say kacha road, not smooth. And their vehicles run very slow. Getting my point? And you learn in the lower classes pakka road and kacha road.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So that all is helpful to you in this chapter now. Different surface, different friction. See, banana peel, when you keep leg on the banana peel, surface becomes smooth and you slip, means the friction less. So surface smooth, friction less. Remember this one, surface smooth, friction less. And surface rough, surface is
Friction
rough,
more.
friction is more.
More friction.
Okay? And second thing, less friction, speed is more. And rough surface, speed is less. Smooth surface, speed is more. Getting? Getting this understanding? I
Yes.
repeat it. Surface is smooth, less friction. When less friction is there, speed is more. Second, surface is rough, more friction. More friction, speed is less. Okay? Now activity 12.2, Abbas only will read about this activity 12.2. Abbas, you read 12.2.
Yes, sir. Activity 12.2. Factors affecting friction. Tie a string around a brick. Pull the brick by a spring. Balance. Pick point 12.3. You need to apply some force. Note down the reading on the spring. Balance when the brick just being to move it give you a measure of the force of friction between the surface of the brick and the floor.
Continue, downstairs is there.
See
Now rest.
12.3. A brick is being pulled by spring balance. Now wrap a piece of polythene around the brick and repeat the activity. Do you observe any difference in the readings of the spring balance in the above two cases? What might be the reason? For this difference, repeat this activity by wrapping a pie of jute bag around the bricks. What do you observe?
Very good. Now say very simple activity is there. Brick. You know brick means what? This is a brick. You know brick? Have you seen brick?
Yes.
Where? Where? Where you seen this brick? Hello, my question. Brick. Where you seen this brick? Where we use?
Sir, building in house,
Building.
factories.
Very good. House, factories, very good. Excellent answer. So this brick, and with the brick, what is there? You can see blue color. What is that? Thread. Thread is there, no?
Yes.
Brick is tied with the thread, and other end is tie up with the spring balance. This was the spring balance. Getting picture?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now you see what to do. You have to pull this spring balance. So here you will get reading. And when the bricks start moving from its position, you see the reading in a spring balance. Clear? This one point clear?
Yes.
Brick tie with the thread, other end you tie with the spring balance, pull the spring balance, and when the brick move, reading work you check out. Now you do same work again, but now this time only brick not. You cover this brick, means wrap this brick with the polythene bag. You wrap this brick with the polythene bag. Getting my point? Means what? Wrap this brick with the polythene bag. Means you have to pack this brick with the polythene bag. What to do? You have to do packing of this brick with the polythene bag. Getting point?
Yes.
And you have to do same thing. You pull this spring balance and read out what reading you are getting. Means what force, how much force you have to apply. Now same activity you have to do again, but now you remove polythene bag and you take jute bag. You wrap jute bag, you pack bricks with the jute bag, and again you pull and read out the reading in this spring balance. Now my question is, you get same reading or different reading you will get? Gondelia,
Yes, sir.
you will get same reading on the spring balance or different?
What, sir?
First, simply you pull the brick. Second time, wrap this polythene bag and you pull. Third, jute bag and you pull. You will get the same reading or
No.
different reading?
No. Different.
You will get same reading or different reading?
Different.
Very good. And reason is because there is a different smoothness. Okay? Polythene bag, when you wrap with the polythene bag, smoothness is more. Okay? And when you cover brick with the goonie bag, roughness is more. And that is why we are getting different reading, means different force we have to applied to pull that brick. Now question is spring balance. What is the spring balance? And for that spring balance, I would like to ask Lakhotra Muhammad Zuhair.
Yes, sir. Spring balance. Spring balance is a device used for measuring the force acting on an object. It consists of a coiled spring which gets stretched when a force is applied to it. Stretching of the spring is measured by a pointer moving on a graduate scale. The reading on the scale gives the magnitude of the force.
Very good. So spring balance is a what device? This device is used to measuring the force acting on object. Means what force, how much force we have to apply on an object. Okay? So that is depends on the object. Okay, and we can measure it by using spring balance. Spring balance is there, so we attach the spring balance with the object, and using spring balance we know the how much force acting on the object. Because force is more, the spring is stretched more. In a spring balance, there is a stretching spring is used, which can stretch when force is act on it. Okay, see here reading is there. And according to reading, you can say that what is the force acting on the object. Am I right? Getting?
Yes.
Good. Now you only continue Moise.
Yes, sir.
Zoed. Mohammed Zoed, you only
Yes.
continue this 12.3 activity.
Okay, sir. Make an inclined plan on a smooth floor or on a table. You may use a wooden board supported by bricks or books. Figure 12.14a 4a. Put a mark with a pen at any point A on the inclined plan. Now let a pencil cell move down from this point. How far does it move on the table before coming to reset? Note down the distance. Now spread a piece of cloth over the table. Make sure that there are no wrinkles in the cloth. Try the activity again. Figure 12.4b. A. Mark A. The pencil cell covers different distance on different surface. Repeat this activity by spreading a thin layer of sand over the table. Maintain the same slope throughout the activity. In which case is the distance covered the minimum? Y is the distance covered by the pencil cell different every time. Try to reason why. Discuss the result.
Okay, very good, sir. Now see, activity is there. In this activity, boys are there. They create a one slope. Okay, what they create a slope, and they took one pencil cell, and that pencil cell they are rolling from mark A, and see the pencil cell is covered up to the end of this table and stopping over there. Okay, now they are doing the same activity again in this position B. They cover the surface with the cloth, cotton cloth. They use the cloth without wrinkle, there is no wrinkle, plain iron this cloth. And again they did the same thing from mark A, they rolled the pencil cell over this cloth. Now you tell me in which situation, condition A or condition B, cover more distance, A or B? Pencil cell cover more distance in which condition, A or B? Slope is same, cell is same.
B.
Huh?
B. A.
A. Very good. See, in A there is a more distance covered by pencil cell because A smooth surface is there, and B cloth is a rough surface, not smooth. Cloth is not a smooth; it's a rough surface. Getting point? Compared to that bench, you know our school benches is this type only. So that is a smooth surface, easily can roll things. But when you cover that surface with cloth or paper, it becomes rough, and it pencil cell cover less distance. So friction is depend on the type of surface. If surface is smooth, friction is more or less.
More.
Surface is smooth, friction is less or more.
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 Less.
Who is saying more?
Zoher.
Zohair, have you drink
Less, sir.
coffee or milk or not? Surface is smooth, then friction is less or more?
Less.
Less. I think so. This answer is given by Gondelia.
Yes.
Good. Right answer. When surface is smooth, friction is less, and object move more distance. Same way, surface is rough, friction is more, and object cover less distance. So once again, you keep in mind these points. Smooth surface friction is where
Less.
less, and rough surface friction is
More.
more, because friction always oppose motion. Friction always oppose motion. Means motion is slow, means friction is more. Friction if motion is fast, friction is less. Like that we can understand. So you have to repeat this activity again and again. So why these things happen? That is due to friction. Your answer is due to frictions only. Does the distance covered depend on the nature of surface on which the cell moves? Yes, correct. Definitely depends on the surface. Could the smoothness of the surface of the cell also act on the distance traveled by it? Yes. I shall write the activity by wrapping a piece of sandpaper around the cell. Friction is caused by the irregularities of the two surfaces in the contact. Even those surfaces which appear very smooth have a large number of minute irregular on them. Irregularities on the two surfaces lock into one another, and when we attempt to move any surface, we have to apply the force to overcome interlocking. On rough surface, there are a large number of irregularities, so the force of friction is greater if a rough surface is involved. Now see what information is given here. If surface is smooth, then also there is some irregularities is there. See here in a book, pages and that cover two different surfaces there, but they also interlocked, surface of book and surface of table. Book and surface of table, there is an interlock due to surface irregularities. Clear? So due to the surface irregularities, more friction is act on it, greater friction force is involved on a rough surface. Okay, so for today's session, we will do this one only because there is some time limits. Any question is there, you can ask me in next upcoming lecture. But I would like to say one more thing. This time, 12, 13, and 14, only 3 chapters there in your FF4 exam. Okay, so any late join class student, those who joined late, any students is there? So just ask me so I can do attendance. 19 already present. 7 number also present. Okay, yes, no problem. Okay, left now.